the Munck Cranes installation at Mohawk College. A recent industrial crane setup is really boosting the training for the next wave of skilled tradespeople, giving them vital hands-on experience for the real world. Munck Cranes put in what's called a top running single girder system, TRSG for short, over at Mohawk College's Tech Campus. This type of overhead crane is a pretty standard workhorse in industry, and having it right there, it's a huge deal for their Millwright crane operation and rigging program. Give students that practical, feel-it-in-your-hands experience. Putting it right there in the rigging program's own space means students get direct, easy access to this top-notch equipment pretty much whenever they need it for their training. This installation, it's really all about using specialized gear to supercharge practical education, getting students genuinely ready for those skilled jobs out there.